Hi, this is Adam Fizey. Welcome to How-to.2020 channel. Thanks for subscribing. Now I will you how you can download the digital product for free. First, we will keep updating the list of digital products based on the niche. So you have to select the download link based on the niche that you are looking for. The selection of niche will be available in the description of this video. Click on the link and you will be directed to the related niche video. The download link will be available in the description of that video. Click and you will be directed to the e-learning database page. You can start to download your digital product for free. If you want to share with your family or friend, you can ask them to watch this video and subscribe to our channel. They can also download our product from our e-learning database based on their niche. The download will be free for them as well. Thank you for supporting our channel. Please visit our channel again. We will keep adding a new digital product for our subscribers. Thanks for watching. See you again. Take care. Have a nice day.